Hey, Steve Zonard here at Treviso Realty. We're in Naples at Caymas. We're on the division of Stock. Stock is the builder, actually doing most of the homes. Only Pulte is doing 94 out of the 490. This is one of their models here. This is called the Birchwood 3, 2,431 square feet, 3-bedroom and a 2.5 bath. Let's have a quick look at this. Obviously, this would be a 3-car garage. It's the sales center currently. So let's have a quick walk through this house. I've never actually been through this developer. Family room here, family kitchen room, very generic like layout, very large, clearly. Good ceiling height. You're kind of starting to see like the finishings are a lot more nicer, let's say, even with the cabinetry. This is more of like a custom millwork rather, right? Nice and clean. This is like an onyx approach too. Obviously you're getting into like a different price range because this is a base model, it's like $1,150,000. Then you gotta add options and the home site that it's gonna rest on. Let's keep it going here. So there's a whole section off to the other end, but this is quite nice. Really large cage here, and again, I guess it's a fireplace is what they're doing here in this site, which is great. I think it's a cool touch. This is gonna be natural gas, which is even better. So you don't have any smoke. Yeah. Yeah, this is obviously your outdoor kitchen here. Browns are coming back, right? And this is the master bedroom here. And this is, yeah, it's a nice layout. It's gonna walk out to the rear lanai, or the lanai period. Master bathroom here. Again, standalone tubs, which are nice. I really like this tile work. This is a really nice touch. It's different. Yeah. Good. How you doing? Oh, it's all good. Yeah. Well, actually, so these toilets come all with the bidet style? Bidet. Or you have to, it's an option, upgrade, right? That's cool. Yeah. Yeah, the toilets have the washlet there, so it's, you got a car wash for your butt. Here we go. This area is going to be the triple car garage, your laundry room here. And we're not going to use another few bedrooms off the side. And these don't have any bathrooms. Bathroom is going to be shared with this unit here. Yeah, that's pretty much for this house. We're gonna head to the next model. We'll get you the next one.